Hey, Danielle K. Howell here, your online success coach from youronlinesuccesscoach.com. And I want to talk about moving forward in your life. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so so many of us, we hit roadblocks in our lives and we want to do crazy things. We want to live out our dreams. We want to, live out our purpose. We want the world. We want financial independence. We want confidence. We want freedom, and we want it now. When do we want it? We want it now, right? When do we want it? We want it now. But I'm going to tell you, sometimes there are things that will keep us stuck. And in this video, I want to talk about how you can literally live out your dreams and get what you want no matter what obstacles come your way. Because, every time I make a video, I speak from personal experience. Yes, I have lots of customers and clients, people all over the world who have been in dire situations and have turned their lives around and, are in the process of turning their lives around. And I'm so proud of them. I'm so proud that they stuck it through and they kept going, they persevered. But when I talk about my life and the things that I've been through and how, and there were times in my life when I wanted to move forward and I felt like I was being pushed backwards. Have you ever felt that way? Have you ever felt that no matter how much you try to move forward, no matter how much you want to change your life, like the forces of evil are against you? And I want to tell you today that there are going to be times when the forces of evil are going to feel like they're against you. That no matter what you do, you are going to feel like there is a boulder pushing you back. But this is the message that I have for you today. Don't let that boulder run you over. Don't let that bulldozer run you over. Push that thing back. Push it back. Because I'm telling you right now, I don't know if you guys ever seen the movie, Thor and Avengers and all that stuff. I love sci-fi and superhero movies because it really lets you know that we all have this alter ego inside of us. We all have this superhero inside of us. And, I used to love Wonder Woman, even though I fell asleep twice on that movie. But as a kid, I loved Wonder Woman, and I wish I had that rope, that lasso. And, she was just so pretty and so powerful to me. And I know that I have Wonder Woman tendencies. I know that I am a Wonder Woman. And there are instances where I want to do things in my life. I want to move forward in certain areas of my life, but it seems like there's always a challenge. So sometimes you have to let things go. And this is probably the hardest thing ever, is to let go. Let go of things that don't serve you. You want to move forward? You want to have freedom? You want to really be an amazing, influential, financially independent person? There are things in your life that you're going to have to let go. And, sometimes we can let go of stuff, but we still hold on to them subconsciously. We still hold on to them mentally, emotionally. So if you're still holding on emotionally, guess what? You did not really let it go. You are still holding on. So you're going to have to be mindful of that. You're going to have to go within, because if you really want things to work for you, you're going to have to first claim what you want. Understand that there's going to be obstacles. Some of those obstacles are self-imposed obstacles. Some of those obstacles are obstacles that you put on yourself and that you don't even realize, because one of the things that we don't like to do, we don't like to blame ourselves. We don't like to say, it's because of me that this is not going right. We want to blame some outside entity. Sometimes there are some outside entities just because it's a test to see how faithful you are and how much you really want this thing that you're saying you want, right? There will be tests. But a lot of times you're not getting what you want because you have not made a real decision and you have not let go of the things that don't serve you. You cannot welcome new things into your life until you let go of the old. That's why cleaning out your closets is so important. Get those old clothes that you've never worn, or if you only worn once or twice and it's been in your closet for a year, get rid of it so that you can make room for new clothes, those shoes that you haven't worn, or you only wore them once but they hurt your feet, but you're still holding on to them, get rid of it so that you can bring in new shoes. Does that make sense? So this is what we have to do. Yes, it's going to be tough. To change anything in your life is going to be tough. To go forward in any capacity in your life is going to be hard. It's going to be hard. There's going to be challenges. There's going to be times when you're going to be like, am I doing the right thing? Am I going the right path? But I'm going to tell you something. If it's too easy, you're not going the right path. If it feels too easy, but yet deep down inside you feel unfulfilled, guess what? You're not on the right path. You are just on a path of complacency. And if you don't want to be complacent, but you want to be great, and you want to do great things, you want to have great things, you want to be great, you want to help people, you want to help yourself, you want to make money, you want to be free, you want to live a lifestyle that most people will never live but only dream about and hope about, then you are going to have to do something differently. You're going to have to let some people go. You're going to have to let some habits go. You're going to have to let some situations go. And I mean, when you let them go, you got to let them go in the material sense, and you have to let them go emotionally. Don't attach yourself emotionally. Don't regret that you let this thing go. And you're going to have to let it go mentally, because all of that matters. And then, and only then, will things start to manifest in your life, and you'll start to attract the right things, the things that you really want, the things that you've prayed for, the things that you've asked for, the things that you've worked for. But right now, if you're praying, working, asking, but you're still holding on to old stuff, you're not going to be able to move forward. So if you want to move forward, my friend, take my advice. Look deep inside of you. I don't know your life, but I know if you don't have what you want, you're holding on to the past. You're holding on to things that don't serve you. And if you want to move forward, you're going to have to let those things go. And only you know what those things are. That's it. Only you know what they are. And when you finally do that, my friend, the universe will open up for you. God will make a way for you that you never thought possible. And this is something that I had to learn in my own life. These are lessons that I've learned. I've had to let a lot of things go in my life so that I could live the life that I truly wanted, and the life that I truly deserved, and the life that I truly desired. But before that, I was stuck. And I kept saying, I want to change my life. I want to change. I want to move forward. I want to get rid of this. I want to get rid of that. But yet I kept staying the same. I kept staying the same. And it didn't come to me until boom, one day, everything in my life had to change. Everything. All in an instant. Things started snowballing. Things started changing like crazy. And then I stepped into the life that I truly wanted. And even when I stepped into the life I truly wanted, I'm going to be totally honest with you, I still was looking backwards. Like Saul's wife that turned into a pillar of salt. I look back. Like, did I make the right decision? Is this the right decision? Don't look back. Once God gives you what you desire, don't ever look back, because that'll stop you from moving forward too. All right, my friends, I hope this was informative for you. You know, these are the things that'll help you make money. These are the things that'll help you live free. These are the things that will help you have financial independence, so that you will never have to ask anybody for anything ever again in your life. You will learn how to be self-sufficient, so that you can own a business online from home, live a laptop lifestyle, have the freedom to do, be, and have whatever you want and desire. Never have to make an apology or be apologetic for your life. Because you can live the life that most people only dream about if you will only heed the words and the wisdom of those who have done it before you. So go ahead and like this video. I'm about to go do my yoga out here. Beautiful, beautiful day here in Florida. About to do my yoga and give my thanks. Sit out here in nature. And I love you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. And like this video, share it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.